Hi, this is Mulu. Today we're going to be making our easy chocolate chip banana muffin. Stay tuned. Okay, so first we're going to whisk together the dry ingredients so that they can become a little airy. We're gonna make 2 dozen muffins. So that was 1 cup of flour. We're gonna need 4, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 teaspoons of salt. We're gonna need half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now we could just mix it together. And I like to add the chocolate chips in the flour so that they don't sink in. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of chocolate chips in here. The noise that you hear in the background is my son Lucas. He's gonna be helping me today. So we're just gonna make sure that the chocolate chips are covered in flour. Alright, I'm gonna set this aside and we are going to mix in our wet ingredients. I got some chocolate chips in here. Okay, so what I like to do, the bananas, is just use a potato masher. And we're gonna need 6 bananas for the 2 dozen muffins. All right, Lucas, let's do our bananas. Okay. We have large bananas here. If you have smaller ones, you can always just add an extra. Oops, I put in the peel. Okay, that was 3 bananas. That's 4. Okay, let's do 1 each. Okay, let's put this in our garbage bag here. Okay, so Lucas is gonna mash the bananas for us. Here you go. And you want to get ripe bananas. You don't want your bananas too hard. Okay, so while he's doing that, I'm just gonna put in the sugar for him. We are gonna need 1 cup of sugar. You can add another half a cup if you like it more sweet, but I don't like that, so I'm just gonna put it in 1. We're also gonna put 2 large eggs. We need 1 cup of oil. We are using the classic cooking olive oil. We are also going to need half a cup of milk. We're just using regular home milk. Okay, Lucas, you don't have to smash it anymore. Just mix it together. We could just use the whisk to mix everything together well, because the oil likes to separate. While I fold in the dry ingredients, Lucas is gonna line the muffin tins for us. And we like to use the parchment paper liners because it doesn't stick. There you go, Lucas. I'm just gonna fold the dry ingredients in, and that's it. And you can always add more chocolate chips. You can actually double it and still be fine. I need to get one of those cookie scoops. Makes it easier. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the 350 heated oven for 25 minutes. It's going in the middle rack. Okay, so after 25 minutes, we're gonna come back and see what our muffins look like. So the muffins are out of the oven, and we're gonna try one. See how easily the wrappers come off without spraying them or anything. Very clean. Okay. So good. Sweet but not overly sweet. Very soft, fluffy. And they're gonna feed my kids for breakfast for probably a week. Alright, so thank you for joining us, trying out the recipe. Let us know how it turns out, and we'll be back again with another one.